Welcome to LAKIOO. Before we start creating projects and publishing content, it's useful to understand how the LAKIOO ecosystem works and how its individual components work together. LAKIOO solution consists of three main parts: LAKIOO Creator, LAKIOO Player, and the LAKIOO Cloud. Each component has a specific role. LAKIOO Creator is used to create and manage content. LAKIOO Player displays the content on screens, and LAKIOO Cloud connects everything together and enables remote management. Let's take a closer look at each component, starting with LAKIOO Creator. LAKIOO Creator is a desktop application used for creating content and managing your information screens, digital signage displays, advertising screens, kiosks, and other presentation devices. In LAKIOO Creator, you design projects, create layouts, add widgets, prepare media content, and configure how everything should look. One important thing to know is that LAKIOO Creator is a desktop app and stores all project files locally on the computer where the application is installed. This means you always have direct access to your projects and media files. If your LAKIOO Creator is connected to the cloud, it also becomes a central management tool for your entire network of players. You can check whether individual players are online, see which project is currently being played, monitor their status, and remotely send updates or configure changes without needing physical access to the device. The second component is LAKIOO Player. LAKIOO Player is the application responsible for displaying your content on a screen. It can be installed on Windows PC, Raspberry Pi, or Android device connected to a display. When a project is published, the player downloads all required files and stores them in its local memory. The content can continue playing even when the internet connection is unavailable, unstable, or temporarily interrupted. This ensures reliable operation in public spaces, offices, restaurants, retail shops, schools, and many other environments where uninterrupted playback is important. The third component is the LAKIOO Cloud. The cloud acts as a communication bridge between LAKIOO Creator and LAKIOO Player. It's used to transfer project settings and device information between your computer and remote player. Through the cloud, you can remotely publish content, update projects, manage devices, collect statistics, and control your screen from anywhere with internet access. To summarize, LAKIOO Creator is used to create and manage content. LAKIOO Player is used to display that on content on a screen. And LAKIOO Cloud connects everything together and enables remote management. Now, did you understand how the LAKIOO ecosystem works? Let's continue with the next step and start setting up the system.